Arpit, by having spent all these years into evaluating small cap companies and successfully able to identify a lot of these companies that turned out to be multi-baggers over the years, I'm sure we would have gathered a lot of wisdom. Would you mind sharing this wisdom so that incoming investors get the right perspective while investing into small cap companies, though by appointing Care PMS as their portfolio manager? What's the right perspective that they should have?
See, investors should never ignore the fundamentals. What our observations over these last 13 years is that investors get interested into particular sector or company at its peak, where after peak, either promoter or institution starts distributing those shares to the retail investors. So at the end, retail investors buy the stock based on the narratives instead of fundamentals. Care PMS is able to identify, good companies quite early, pre-discovery stage, what we call. Any investor, be it a small cap, and in small cap companies, it happens, because their fluctuation in the market price is so big. It is very difficult to control your temperament of not investing. That fear of losing out, fear of missing out is there in at the peak of the market in all the, I think, retailers' mind. So that needs to be controlled. At Care PMS, we control it by having this IC committee, having separate. Always focusing on the valuation that we pay to the company. So we are not buying on the narrative-based theme. We are buying more on the fundamental themes.
Is that how you are able to maintain a portfolio PE of 25 or less, even during peak times?
Yeah. So during the peak time also, our weighted average PE has remained around 25 times. And that is giving us very good protection, downside protection. So if something goes wrong, we are getting very less impacted while we see very good growth in the portfolio.